Hi children, good morning. This is your maths class children. Take your activity book. Open page number 37. See children here. Observe each clock and note down its time. Observe this clock children. In this clock, what is the time? Yes. Short hand is on 8. Long hand is on 12. Short hand shows hours and long hand shows minutes. Short hand shows hours, long hand shows minutes. Here short hand is on 8. Long hand is on 12. So the time is now 8 o'clock. Write here 8. Like this. Next. Here shorthand is in between 3 and 4. That means 3 and 4. 3 to 4 hours in between. The time is 3 to 4 in between. Okay, long hand is on 9. That means, for suppose long hand is on 12. The time is 3 o'clock. Long hand is moves towards 1. Time is 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25, 3:30, 3:35, 3:40. 3:45. Time is 3:45. That means quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. That is 15 minutes to 4. Quarter means 15 minutes. Quarter to 4 or 15 minutes to 4 or 3:45. Write down here 3:45. Next, here short hand is on 12, long hand is on 3. For suppose long hand is on 12, then the time is 12 o'clock. Short hand shows hours, yes or no? Next, long hand moves towards 1, that means 12:05. Towards 2, that means 12:05 plus 5 minutes. 12:10. Next, moves towards long hand from 2 to 3. 12:10 plus 5. 12:15. The time is now 12:15. Write down children here 12:15. Next line. Short hand is present in between 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Long hand is on 6. See children here. Suppose long hand is on 12. 5 o'clock. Why? Because short hand is present in between 5 and 6. So we decide in the time is 5 o'clock. 5 only, 5 and 6. Which number is less number? 5. So 5 o'clock. Long hand is moves towards 1 means 5:05. 5:10. 5:15. Add plus 5 children. 5:20. 5:25. 5:30. Okay, 5:30 means quarter past 5. Half past 5. Sorry ma. Half past 5. Write down 5:30. 5:30. Okay ma. Next. The short hand is on 11. Long hand is on 12. Short hand shows hours. Long hand shows minutes. 11. The time is now 11 o'clock. Like this you have to write the time. Next one. Here shorthand is present in between 6 and 7. So 6 o'clock. Next, longhand is in which place? On 9. For suppose longhand is on 12. 6 o'clock. Next, 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, 6:20, 6:25, 6:30, 6:35, 6:40, 6:45. Now the time is 6:45, or we also tell it as quarter to 7 or 15 minutes to 7. Write down children, 6:45. 6:45, quarter to 7 or 15 minutes to 7. Like that also you have to tell the time. Next line. Here say children, shorthand is present in between what numbers? 9 and 10. So 9 o'clock. Longhand is present on 9. For suppose this longhand is present on 12. The time is 9 o'clock. 9:05, 9:10, 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, 9:45. 9:45 or quarter to 10. Quarter to 10. 15 minutes to 10. Only 15 minutes is there for 10 o'clock. Okay. 9:45. 9:45. Next. Here shorthand is in between 2 and 3. Then 2 o'clock. The longhand is on 3. For suppose this longhand is on 12. 2 o'clock, 2:05, 2:10, 2:10 plus 5 minutes, 2:15. 2:15. It's also tell it as quarter past 2. Quarter means 15 minutes past 2. 2:15. Next one. This shorthand is present on 7. Longhand is on 12. Time is sharp 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 7. Next line. See children, here shorthand is on 4. That means 4 o'clock. Longhand is on 3. For suppose this longhand is on 12, shorthand is on 4, then time is 4 o'clock. You already know it. This longhand is moves towards 1, 4:05, 4:10, 4:15. Time is 4:15 or quarter past 4. 15 minutes past 4. 4:15 or quarter past 4. Next. Here shorthand is present in between 10 and 11. So time is 10 o'clock. And also see here longhand is on 6. That means for suppose on 12 longhand is present. 10 o'clock, 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, 10:25, 10:30. The time is 10:30 or also tell it as half past 10. Half an hour is past 10. 10:30 or half past 10. 10:30 or half past Next, here shorthand is present in between 8 and 9. So 8 o'clock. Suppose this long hand is on 12, 8 o'clock, 8:05, 8:10, 8:15, 8:20, 8:25, 8:30, 8:35, 8:40, 8:45 or quarter to 9. 15 minutes to 9, quarter to 9, 8:45. 8:45. See children, here long hand is on 4, 4 o'clock. On 3, 4:15. Long hand is suppose on 6, 4:30. This long hand is on 9, 4:45. 4, 4:15, 4:30, 4:45, then 5 o'clock. Okay children, in that time the short hand is on 5. Okay, remember it children, learn 5 table. Here to here, from 12 to 1, how many minutes? 5. From 1 to 2, 5 minutes. This 5 minutes and this 5 minutes, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So you must learn 5 table children, then only time will come how to tell. Okay. Practice these clocks in your rough notebook. How to tell the time. How to recognize the time using short hand and long hand. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Bye.